Hello friends, I am Sparsh Gupta. So today we are going to continue a video which I made on Adobe Spark and I left in my previous video. So today we are going to continue it. So let's begin.
What happened? Here's the music. Music is on. Smartphone. It was invented by IBM in 1994. A smartphone is a cell phone that allows you to do more than make phone calls and send text messages. Smartphones can browse the internet and run software programs like computers. Smartphones use a touchscreen to allow users to interact with them. Related smartphone pages. Okay, done. So our video is done. Just this add your own credits created with work by uh, I will increase the font. Yes. Mm. So friends, this is done. Just a preview journey on phone. Yeah. Dial phone. It was invented by Alman Brown Stouger in 1919. The first dial telephone exchange is credited to Alman B. Diskette. It was invented by Almus Roger in 1928. America got a new look in telephones in 1927 when the combined receiver and transmitter used since 1878 by telephone it was popularly known as the French phone because it resembled continental 500 type disc set. You can read. I have put a much time that you can read easily. Oh, wall telephone. Yeah, this one is good. Wall telephone. I've seen it in movies. It was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1956. Colors white, beige, yellow, and pink. What is this phone? Oh, director phone. Oh yeah. Okay. Princess telephone. Okay. What's the next telephone? Do you want to know? Let's see. The background music is good. I love it. Oh, trimline telephone. You can see the video is good. I have made a good video. You can also make a video like this, or it's your wish. You can make a video. It's very simple. Just have to take almost 2 hours. I made it in 2 hours as I have made almost 18, 19 slides. Cellular phone. Yeah, this is cellular phone and then smartphone. It was invented by IBM. You can see already. Beautiful. It's done. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Also like. Don't forget to like. And if you subscribe it, so please click on the bell so that you can receive a notification from my side that I have put a new video. So till next video. Bye.